Welcome to Marker Board Videos. Today's video is a review of least common multiple or lowest common multiple, but it's a special request from one of my viewers. We had three specific numbers. When you have three numbers, sometimes you need to do things a little bit differently. You need to carry it one step further. In this case, the numbers were 12, 30, and 75. And again, we're looking for the least common multiple. Using the upside down birthday cake method, if I look at those numbers, 12, 30, and 75, I ask myself, can I take a 2 out of all of those numbers? And the answer is no. So I go up to the next prime number, which is 3. Can I take a 3 out of each of those numbers? And the answer is yes. 12 divided by 3 is 4, 30 divided by 3 is 10, and 75 divided by 3 is 25. Now if I look at those three numbers, if I try to take a 2 out of them, I can take a 2 out of these two, but not out of this one. I can take a 5 out of 10 and 25, but not out of 4. When I'm finding the least common multiple using the upside down birthday cake method, you need to take it one step further. If you were done right now, you would say the least common multiple is 3 times 4 times 10 times 25, which is 3,000. But I know that the least common multiple is 300. So I'm going to look at these numbers and I'm going to say, is there something that I can take out of 2 of them? And the answer is yes. Out of 4 and 10, I can take a 2 out. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and I'm simply going to bring my 25 down. That's where this differs from division. In division, you wouldn't just bring a number down. If you couldn't divide, you couldn't divide, but you wouldn't just bring a number down. Now I'm looking at 2, 5, and 25, and I'm especially interested in the 5 and 25 because I recognize that I can take a 5 out of both of those. Again, I can't do anything with the 2, so I'm going to bring it down. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And when I look at those three numbers, I know that none of them have anything in common. What I really want to find out is, do any two numbers, once I get all three of them, do any two numbers have anything in common? So to find my least common multiple, I multiply 3 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 1 times 5. 3 times 2 times 5, that's 6 times 5, so it's 30. 2 times 1 times 5, 2 times 1 is 2 times 5 is 10, and 30 times 10 is 300. So your least common multiple for 12, 30, and 75 is 300. Thank you for watching Marker Board Videos.